estate term of the day. When you are going to be involved in a sale of a condominium, there is the declaration of the condominiums that must be provided to the buyer. They also need to be updated. It cannot be an old form. Now, in a resale, you must provide that to the buyer. And until that is not provided to the buyer and you pass 3 business days, the buyer can walk away for any reason. It says, I don't like what it says here, and I'm going to walk away. On a new sale, it's 15 calendar days when they're buying from a developer. So, as a real estate professional, it's very important you get this done as soon as possible. Most professionals get this done during the inspection period, which is another problem. During the inspection period, especially in an as-is transaction, the buyer can walk away for any reason. So they try to get that done in that time, so you get them both in and out of the way as soon as possible. That's the right way of getting things done. Hey, for more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you're interested, please go ahead and schedule a private tutoring session with me. Go up to the top bar and click tutoring appointments and go ahead and schedule your time and date. Many blessings to you.